Come over here with your dad. You come over to dad. Look at the camera. What's that? Back out in the shop today. We're gonna get going on the Willys cab. I've been dreading doing this. I gotta get this thing patched up so we can get it back on and get it rolling. There's a car show here in a week or so I want to take it down to. I don't know that I'll be entering it, but I'd like to take it down there and just let people take a look at it, get some impressions on it. So we'll get to working on it and film what's going on. I did again forget to film pulling the cab off the frame, so I'll do my best to remember to do that when we set it back on the chassis. So just gonna take some of these parts I harvested out of the doors out there from the S10 and start filling in these holes. Alright, we're back out in the shop today. It's Tuesday morning. Last time you guys seen this was Saturday. I worked on a little bit Sunday morning. Got a little bit more done. Pretty much got the front patched in. Cleaned up a little bit. I still got some cleaning up to do before I'm ready for seam seal, but we're gonna continue cleaning the front of this up. Start working on the inside. I gotta get the back of this here patched in somehow. I'm gonna build me a little box to go under the driver's seat. Get everything patched in. We still got some cleaning up and some finishing work in here, but we got it pretty well patched up there in the front. So we'll get going on it, get it all patched up, get it ready for seam seal. Hopefully by the end of the day today, I'll have the back of this filled in for the most part, and we'll just need some cleaning up to do before we can seam seal it. Hoping tomorrow we can get it seam sealed in the morning, let that set up, maybe spray a little primer on it, and then maybe we can spray the bottom of it. Not quite sure how far we'll get yet, but we're gonna try. I'd like to have this cab back on it and rolling by Friday sometime, so. Seems like a lot of work, but put your head down, get it done. Won't be too bad. wiggle nubbing? Huh? You wiggle nubbing? Come get daddy? Come get some lovies, huh? Big Wolfie, huh? Well, we're back out in the shop again the next day. I didn't do my hair. How's it looking? Looking kind? Kind of like on a sheep's ass, I guess. Well, we got the cab pretty much ready to go. Got a little bit finishing up in here. I'm gonna build a little bit of a box to go into the seat. Finish fabbing today, hopefully get it seam sealed. The old man did a oil change on the tractor yesterday. I guess I had to go out there and do a out QC on it, make sure you got everything filled right so we don't burn it up.
Yeah.
If you like this video, I hope you stick around for the next. Feel free to subscribe. Also, check out some of my other videos right here. And we'll see you on the next one.